Confident, strong, and driven, yan ang Fashbook Woman. Kaya kahit active ang lifestyle and hectic ang schedules, ang Fashbook Woman kaya pa rin maging healthy on the inside and still look beautiful on the outside.
Ako si Sean Yao, isang Fashbook Woman.
Nagsimula bilang isang professional model itong si Sean. Ngayon, pinasok na rin niya ang print at TV.
I really started out as a child photographer. And then, to supplement my income, I started modeling. Siguro this was around 2004, 2005, ganyan. Mga latter parts of college. And then from that, I dabbled in video production. And then eventually, I did a year with publishing.
With hard work and dedication, isa-isa na naabot ni Sean ang kanyang mga pangarap sa buhay.
Actually, I really like it kasi parang every day is always different. I mean, may konting similarities yung mga days mo, but you know, you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow.
Nagtatrabaho si Sean sa isang stressful environment that can be especially challenging for women.
Sobrang unhealthy siya bukod sa fact na puyat ka na. So, wala kang time mag-exercise minsan. So, pangit pa nung mga kinakain mo. Parang lahat nung factors nandun para maging unhealthy ka talaga.
Gayunpaman, napatunayan ni Sean na kaya niyang mag-excel dito while still keeping her head held high and with perfect posture. Ayon kay Sean, importante rin na alagaan ang sarili sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaroon ng active lifestyle.
You really have to take care of how you look. Why not start it from the inside? Everything matters in sleep, the amount of water that you take, the food that you eat. Lately, nag-free up yung schedule ko ng konti, so mas nakaka-exercise ako ngayon. Nagpipilates pa rin ako at least once a week.
Bukod sa exercise, sinisigurado rin ni Sean na umiinom siya ng kanyang supplements.
Actually, the most convenient way to do it is just take supplements. Pag-uusapan natin yung calcium supplement, pinaka-okay sa lahat yung A-Life Posture, yun yung color orange. Dahil hindi lang siya calcium pero meron siyang Ostevone. Napaka-importante ng Ostevone kasi isa siyang, bukod sa fact na natural siya, pinapakapal niya yung bone density mo. Yung bone density, napaka-importante niyan for healthy bones. Dahil kapag dumipis yun, yung buto natin, yun yung tinatawag nating osteoporosis.
Bukod sa stronger bones, ang pagbabawas ng timbang ang isa sa priorities ng isang Fashbook Woman. Mabuti na lang at may iba't ibang A-Life products that can help address the health and beauty needs of women.
Each A-Life product has dual action benefits to help women look their best and of course be able to perform at their peak. Ang isa na nga dito ay ang A-Life Control na nakakatulong sa pagbawas ng timbang. Ang A-Life Control ay merong phase 2 na galing sa natural white kidney beans at ito ay nakakatulong sa pag-block ng absorption ng carbohydrates.
Hindi madali para kay Sean ang magtrabaho ng 15 hours a day. Kaya naman she prepares herself mentally and conditions her body through exercise and supplements that keep her healthy from within. Sean Yao, Certified Fashbook Woman.